Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore royalties and creator status visibility on OpenSea. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore royalties and creator status visibility on OpenSea, start by visiting the OpenSea website. Log into your OpenSea account using your wallet. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your avatar in the top right corner. Once you are in your profile, locate the Edit Profile button. Click on Edit Profile to access your profile settings. Scroll down to find the section labeled Royalties or Creator Earnings. Ensure that your royalty percentage is correctly set according to your. If it is not set correctly, input your desired royalty percentage. Next, confirm that you have linked any necessary social media accounts or websites under the appropriate section. This step enhances visibility and authenticity as a creator. Now, navigate to your NFTs by clicking on My Collections. Select the collection that you wish to update. In the collection settings, find the option for Creator Information. Make sure that all required details, such as name and description. Also, check that the visibility settings are set to public. This will ensure that your creator status is visible to the community. If applicable, adjust any advanced settings related to royalties as necessary. After confirming all settings, click on the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. Allow a few moments for the changes to propagate through the OpenSea platform. Once updated, revisit your NFTs to check if the royalties and creator status visibility have been restored as intended. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to OpenSea support for assistance. Regularly check your settings to maintain accurate visibility of your royalties and creator status. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.